Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the BMW M5 CS in Forza Horizon 5. First, navigate to the main menu of the game. From there, you will select the Horizon Festival option. This will open up a new set of choices for you to explore. We're looking for a specific area to find this amazing vehicle. It's a straightforward process that many players use to expand their car collection. Once you are in the Horizon Festival menu, locate and select the Auction House option. This is a bustling marketplace where players trade vehicles. It's a fantastic way to find rare cars you might have missed. You'll need to use the search filters to narrow down your results. This ensures you find exactly the BMW M5 CS you're looking for among the many listings. Now, within the auction house, you'll use the search function. Set the manufacturer filter to BMW. Then, for the model filter, select M5 CS. This will display all available listings for the car. You can choose to either place a bid or use the buyout option for an instant purchase. Keep an eye on the prices, as they fluctuate based on player activity. After finding a suitable listing, review the price and decide if you want to bid or buy it outright. Once you've made your choice, confirm the transaction. The required in-game credits will be deducted from your balance. Your brand new BMW M5 CS will then be delivered directly to your garage, ready for you to drive. Get ready to experience its incredible performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.